I cannot believe that Fori is the host, again.
What are you talking about? Fori is the best host like last season.
Excuse me, even though she is just a stupid kid, Germany, you're eliminated, Germany. It's time for the challenge, blah blah blah.
You are not in the last season Third Reich.
Get your butts up and do the challenge of battle for the BFTL&I1DA again. The first challenge is making a firework show. Go.
Okay team, we better start a firework show by using the bombs.
You started World War II by using the bomb, stupid. Don't you remember that?
Shut it, Soviet. Also too late, I already did it.
Really, Germany? You actually started World War II for some reason.
Guys, Third Reich already started the firework show.
Let's make a better one.
Hey, great idea Haiti, let's do it.
Well, I guess Germany and his team lost. So, who is gonna get eliminated? Leave in the comments down below.